Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to add debit card to Skrill. So let's get started. First of all, open the Skrill app on your smartphone or visit the Skrill website on your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. After that, navigate to the Add Money option from the main menu. From here, select Deposit and then choose Add Debit or Credit Card. Carefully input your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Make sure all details are correct to avoid errors. And after that, entering the details, Skrill may ask you to verify your card. A small charge might be made to your card with a unique code included in the transaction description. Check your bank statement or app to find this code. Enter the verification code in Skrill to confirm your card. Once verified, your debit card will be securely linked to your Skrill account. And that's it. Thanks for watching.